Dear students, in this video I will solve the problems from the exercise 7.1. Find an antiderivative of the following functions by the method of inspection. One is sine 2x, second one is e to the power 2x and ax plus b whole square, sine 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x. And you have to think about the derivative of what is sine 2x. And you know that derivative of cos 2x is equal to minus 2 sin 2x or minus sin 2x into 2. Therefore, if you divide the cos 2x by minus 2 and find its derivative, you will get sin 2x. Therefore, you can write the antiderivative of sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2. And similarly, second question is e to the power 2x. And you know that derivative of e to the power 2x is e to the power 2x into 2 or 2 e to the power 2x. Therefore, if you divide e to the power 2x by 2 and find its derivative, you will get e to the power 2x. Therefore, antiderivative of e to the power 2x is e to the power 2x divided by 2. Next one is ax plus b whole square. And if you find the derivative of ax plus b whole cube, that is equal to 3 into ax plus b whole square into derivative of ax plus b, that is a. Therefore, if you divide ax plus b whole cube by 3a and find its derivative, you will get ax plus b whole square. Therefore, antiderivative of ax plus b whole square is ax plus b whole cube divided by 3a. Next one is sine 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x. And here you have to think about the two functions sine 2x and 4 e to the power 3x, which is similar to the previous one. Therefore, antiderivative of sine 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2 minus 4 into antiderivative of e to the power 3x is e to the power 3x divided by 3. And this is the answer for this question. Next one, find the following integrals in the exercise 6 to 20. Integration of 4 e to the power 3x plus 1 dx. Here it is indefinite integral. You have to write the integrating constant after finding the integration. That is 4 is constant here into integration of e to the power 3x dx plus integration of 1 dx. And you know the integration of e to the power 3x dx, that is e to the power 3x divided by 3. Therefore, the answer is 4 e to the power 3x divided by 3 plus integration of 1 is x plus c is the answer for this question. And these types of questions may be asked for 1 mark in the annual exam. Next one is integration of x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. And if you multiply x square, you will have integration of x square into 1 is x square dx minus x square into 1 by x square is 1. That is x square into 1 by x square dx. X square gets cancelled. You will have integration of 1 dx. And integration of x square dx is x to the power 3 divided by 3. We have the formula for integration of x to the power n. Integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Therefore, answer is x to the power 3 divided by 3 minus x plus c is the answer for this question. Next one is integration of ax square plus bx plus c dx. And here you can apply the rule of integration. You will have a into integration of x square dx plus b into integration of x dx plus c into integration of 1 dx. That is equal to integration of x square is x cube by 3, a into x cube by 3 plus b into x square by 2 plus cx plus c is the answer for this question. Next one, integration of 2x square plus e power x dx. And again you can apply the rule of integration. You will have 2 into integration of x square dx plus integration of e to the power x dx. Integration of x square dx is x to the power 3 divided by 3, and that is equal to 2 into x cube by 3 plus e power x plus c is the answer for this question. Next one is integration of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 divided by x square dx. And you can divide by x square for each term, and then you can evaluate the integral. We'll have integration of x cube by x square dx plus 5x square by x square dx minus integration of 4 by x square dx. X cube by x square is x, integration of x dx plus 5 into integration of 1 dx minus 4 into integration of x to the power minus 2 dx. That's equal to x square by 2 plus 5x minus 4 x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. And you can simplify this, that's equal to x square by 2 plus 5x, here minus minus plus 4x to the power minus 1 plus c is the answer for this question. And with this much I'll conclude this video, and in the next video I'll solve other problems from this exercise. Thank you.